Game on. Oh, someone's pissed. He says, "What's up?" They're behind the Bronco over there. We've got the Terminator. Somebody's getting lit. Oh, you're not playing?
Sounds like paintball.
How come they didn't do that when I was playing? They're all like a team. They just let me go out to die.
That's your own fault for being retarded.
Hey, I had some slick moves there. We got somebody
Casey.
in the Bronco.
Casey, go get him! All right there.
I guess it's over. Either somebody's hurt, but everybody stop shooting. We've got this contraption.